What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Highway Cowboy channel. Hey, it's a nice sunny in the morning here in Florida, back home. And well, I'll tell you what, this video has been one that's been a long time coming. It is the final saga, the final finale of the truck work that needed to be done after the whole incident that happened, the fender bender back in September. So as you know, the truck has been in the shop for basically half of October into half of November. It's been in there a month, but basically I took the truck back on the road because of the whole part shortage and back orders and all that stuff, and not to mention some parts that needed to be done because they were custom and there are no second parts. They had to be made. Well, it is the middle of January right now, and I got a call a couple of days ago from the body shop saying, hey, we've got all your stuff in here, pop in anytime, let us know. So that's the plan, guys. Today we're gonna head to the body shop, and I'll show you guys what is actually gonna be done and what needs to be done to the truck. Finally, the truck doesn't have an ugly side anymore as of the end of today. So stick with me, guys. I'll show you what's up. Have a peek. I could squeeze it in there, however I have a feeling I'm gonna be blocking somebody in. I don't know if they want to get out or not, but let's see what we got going on here. Ah, yeah, we can do that right there. That's gonna be the plan of action. Time to do some more blindsiding, right? That's always fun. Here we go. Gonna have to readjust myself here. Another day in trucking paradise. And where that fake drink prop comes from, because there's an old saying that a family member used to say, life's always a party. May not always be a good one, but it's a party. What do you mean by that is always stay positive. Doesn't matter what situation you're in, may not be ideal, but the idea is always stay positive. And that's a nice little reminder for me. Life's always a party, right? All right. Aiming right next to that fire truck. Readjust. I love blind sides, don't you? Got enough clearance there. Yep. Okay, yeah, we got this. We got this. Perfect. Okay. It's kind of close to that K-dub right there, so I'm going to scooch over just a tad. Snuggle up to the fire truck right there. That's a pretty color, guys. I have to admit, that is a nice color. that should be good enough for government work. Ooh, look at that one. That's a pretty green right there. Very nice. Very nice. I apologize. The truck really needs a bath, guys. As you can plainly see, it went up north and time's a ticking. I couldn't stop to get it washed, so I'll be doing that after fact. But I figured I'd get out and show you guys what exactly it is that it's missing. So as you can see, got these little sleeper panels on the side right here. And here, let me just get on the other side and show you what exactly is missing. That'll probably be the better shot. So as you can see, this panel that was the custom part, I mean, they figured it would just be a piece of sheet metal that you need to do some rolling on, but they don't exactly have the equipment to get that done, so they had to have been redone at a proper shop, so to speak. So this is getting replaced right here. Obviously it's missing a step that's been taken off, that was severely damaged in the fender bender. And yeah, so we're missing that panel right here. So they're going to be putting that back on real quick, and with the panel obviously comes the little accessory light in the back. But yeah, that's about it. Oh no, we got one more. Just this little hubcap piece here that's missing. It needs to get put on, and the rim needs to get polished because they replaced that rim. However, it was not spit shine like the rest of them, so they'll be getting on that today. All right guys, let's go say hi to our friends here at the body shop. To go in and line up for the shop, let them get started on doing the part swaps or installs. Always a tight squeeze in this shop. They always got a busy line of trucks. See where they want me. Finally, my truck doesn't have an ugly side anymore. Now it's got to do some polishing, clearly, because things just don't match. And I got to get a new DOT stickers and all that fancy stuff on this side, but she's done. She's done, other than some TLC on the side of here, but I'll take it, guys. Awesome. You know, the best part about it is that when they change that sleeper chrome piece right there, as you can see on the other side of the truck, they come in twos. So not only did I change that right side out, that's it's been broken, but I also got the left side for free. Not a bad deal, guys, right? Well, finally, that's the end of the saga of the truck repair and the incident and all of that good stuff. So that being said, guys, I appreciate everybody for joining me on my channel, joining me on my crazy journey. And please like, comment, and subscribe. That lets me know that you guys enjoy the stuff that's getting put out. And on that note, guys, y'all stay frosty. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.